Navigating Life, Jordan Peterson's 8 Essential Pieces of Advice for Young Men. In today's video, we're embarking on a deep dive into the profound insights of renowned psychologist and author Jordan Peterson. Over the years, Peterson has offered a wealth of valuable advice, mainly directed at young men facing the multifaceted challenges of life. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll unpack 8 essential pieces of advice from Jordan Peterson to empower young men to navigate the complexities and uncertainties that come their way. Embrace responsibility. Let's start with Jordan Peterson's foundational principle, embracing responsibility. Peterson often underscores that taking responsibility for one's life, actions, and decisions is a moral duty and a pathway to personal growth and development. Peterson argues that willingly shouldering big and small responsibilities is critical to building resilience, discipline, and purpose. By acknowledging and facing challenges head-on, young men can cultivate the skills necessary to thrive in life's ever-changing landscape. This advice goes beyond mere task completion. It involves a fundamental shift in mindset. Peterson encourages individuals to view responsibility not as a burden, but as a pathway to meaning and fulfillment. Taking charge of one's life can lead to a profound transformation, setting the stage for a more purposeful existence. Peterson's perspective challenges the notion that responsibility is restrictive. Instead, he sees it as the bedrock upon which a meaningful and fulfilling life is built. Pursue meaning, not happiness. Building on the theme of responsibility, Peterson challenges the conventional pursuit of happiness. He advocates for the pursuit of meaning, arguing that a life focused solely on the temporary goal of happiness can be shallow and unsatisfying. According to Peterson, seeking meaning involves a deeper exploration of one's values, goals, and the impact of one's actions on the world. It's about finding a purpose beyond momentary pleasures and contributing to the greater good. Peterson's advice encourages young men to reflect on the long-term significance of their actions. By aligning their pursuits with a more profound sense of meaning, individuals can weather the inevitable storms of life with greater resilience and purpose. In a world that often prioritizes instant gratification, Peterson's call to pursue meaning offers a profound perspective on the enduring fulfillment that arises from a purpose-driven life. Set and pursue meaningful goals. Peterson's next piece of advice builds on the theme of meaning, the importance of setting and pursuing meaningful goals. He contends that having clear objectives not only provides direction, but also offers a sense of accomplishment and progress. The act of setting goals, both short-term and long-term, allows individuals to channel their energy and focus into endeavors that align with their values. Peterson often speaks about the transformative power of incremental steps toward larger aspirations. By breaking down larger aspirations into manageable tasks, young men can maintain motivation and experience a sense of purpose in their daily lives. The pursuit of meaningful goals becomes a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Stand up straight with your shoulders back. Moving from abstract concepts to practical advice, Peterson emphasizes the significance of body language. The symbolic act of standing up straight with your shoulders back extends beyond physical posture. It's a symbol of facing life's challenges with courage and confidence. According to Peterson, adopting a posture of strength is not just a display to the world, but a message to oneself. A commitment to face difficulties with resilience and grit. It's about projecting an image of self-assurance that can influence how one approaches challenges. The power of this advice lies in its embodiment of resilience. By physically embodying strength, young men can develop a mindset that enables them to confront adversity with a sense of inner strength. Speak the truth. A cornerstone of Peterson's philosophy is speaking the truth, even when it's uncomfortable. Peterson believes truthful communication is essential for personal integrity and building trustworthy relationships. Peterson's emphasis on truth-telling goes beyond mere honesty. It extends to the commitment to authentic self-expression. By speaking the truth, individuals can establish credibility, maintain healthy relationships, and cultivate a sense of authenticity in their interactions. Peterson's advice here is a call to embrace vulnerability and transparency. In a world often characterized by misinformation and deceit, speaking the truth becomes a courageous act, contributing to personal growth and community well-being. Be wary of ideological possession. Peterson often warns against the dangers of ideological possession, a state where individuals become overly attached to rigid belief systems. He urges young men to approach ideologies critically, advocating for independent thought and an openness to diverse perspectives. According to Peterson, ideological possession can lead to a narrow, dogmatic view of the world, stifling intellectual curiosity and hindering personal growth. By remaining vigilant against the allure of ideological certainty, young men can foster a mindset that values open-mindedness and critical thinking. This advice aligns with Peterson's broader message of encouraging individuals to think independently, resist the pull of groupthink, and engage in thoughtful, nuanced exploration of complex issues. Surround yourself with positive influences. Peterson places a significant emphasis on the impact of the company we keep. He advises young men to surround themselves with positive influences, people who support personal growth and share common values. Building a network of supportive relationships can contribute significantly to mental well-being and success. Positive influences provide encouragement, constructive feedback, and a sense of camaraderie that can be instrumental in overcoming challenges. Peterson's guidance extends beyond the individual level, emphasizing cultivating a positive and supportive social environment. Young men can create a foundation for personal and collective success by intentionally choosing friends and collaborators who uplift and inspire. Take care of your mental and physical health. In his holistic approach to life advice, Jordan Peterson strongly emphasizes the importance of caring for one's mental and physical health. He advocates for routines promoting well-being, such as maintaining a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and seeking professional help. Peterson's advice recognizes the interconnectedness of mental and physical well-being. A healthy body supports a healthy mind, and vice versa. Prioritizing self-care is not just about personal indulgence, but a strategic investment in long-term resilience and vitality. Jordan Peterson's advice to young men encapsulates a rich tapestry of principles that extend beyond mere self-help cliches. From embracing responsibility and pursuing meaning to maintain physical and mental health, Peterson's guidance provides a roadmap for navigating the complexities of life. By internalizing these principles, young men can develop the resilience, discipline, and purpose needed to face life's challenges head-on. Whether it's taking responsibility for one's actions, standing up with confidence, or fostering positive relationships, Peterson's advice offers practical wisdom grounded in both psychological insights and philosophical depth. If you found this video insightful, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below.